Hi, this is Tom, a legal professional dedicated to helping you conduct business with Chinese companies more safely and effectively. For non-Chinese enterprises, special attention must be paid to common mistakes when cooperating and signing contracts with Chinese companies. The major contractual pitfalls are mainly concentrated in several key areas: verification of the contracting party's legal status, core contractual terms, risk prevention mechanisms, and the evidentiary chain of electronic contracts. A slight oversight in any of these areas may lead to serious legal risks. Below are the most common issues. This is the most fundamental mistake. If the counterparty is not verified as a legally qualified entity, for example, an internal department without legal person status, an unlicensed enterprise, or an impersonator, the contract may be deemed invalid and accountability may be difficult to enforce. It is essential to verify the business license, the legal representative's identity and the authorization documents, and to confirm the company's registration information through the National Enterprise Credit Information Publicity System. 2. Ambiguous core contractual terms. If key terms such as the subject matter, price, performance period, and acceptance standards are not clearly defined, disputes are highly likely. For example, vague expressions such as settled according to market price may be interpreted by the court against the drafting party. All provisions should be expressed in clear, specific, and quantifiable terms, and vague wording such as reasonable or appropriate should be avoided. If provisions on breach of contract liability and dispute resolution are missing or improperly drafted, the difficulty and cost of enforcing rights will increase significantly. The contract should clearly stipulate the calculation method for liquidated damages, the scope of compensation, and designate a jurisdiction or arbitration institution that is favorable to your interests. In addition, the qualifications of the guarantor and the condition of any collateral must be carefully reviewed to prevent the guarantee from becoming merely symbolic. If the signing process, identity verification, and related evidence of an electronic contract are not properly preserved, you may lose a dispute due to insufficient evidence. It is crucial to ensure that electronic signatures comply with the electronic signature law and that complete signing logs and verification records are retained. 5. Illegal or grossly unfair contractual clauses. Standard form clauses that exempt one party from liability, impose heavier obligations on the other party, or exclude the other party's primary rights may be declared invalid by the court. Any modification of a contract must also be confirmed in written form, as oral amendments are extremely difficult to prove. Contracts vary across different industries. The above points reflect common issues of general applicability. For specific agreements, each contract should be reviewed on a case-by-case basis. Contracts vary across different industries. The above points reflect common issues of general applicability. For specific agreements, each contract should be reviewed on a case-by-case basis.